reading and writing. Yes? Okay? Okay, so what do you mean by motivation? Yes, تشجيع and encouraging and
تطوير develop.
تطوير and develop, okay? Okay, so as I said, it's what is intrinsic motivation, yeah? You have to be from inside, yeah? To motivate others to do what the task. Okay? So how can you do this, okay? Sometimes you can give what choices for the kids to do it, yeah? As I give the example, okay, if you have like 2 dresses, you show them and then what they will choose, okay? Or maybe you choose what? A challenging task. So whatever like task you give them, it's challenging, but in the same time what? The idea or the purpose is what? To achieve that what? Task, yeah? It's similar to what you are doing, yeah? Maybe you think your task is challenging because it needs what? More processes, observations, you read, you write, you do and analyze, and you go back and forth, yeah? But still what? You can do it, yeah? At the end, you can do it and you will do it, okay? Okay, if we think about what? Social collaboration. So collaboration facilitates children engagement in a task, but fostering what? Collaboration with the teacher or peers requires time. Okay, so what do we mean by social collaboration?
Like together.
Yes, working together, yeah? Like for example, the task you are doing is what?
Together.
Most of you are working as what? As a team, okay? So for example, you are seeing different kids from different homes, okay? So even in the class, if you have kids, you try your best what? To collaborate with each other, okay? Not like, not individual work, but sometimes you need it, okay, as individual, okay? Okay, success. Success gives students a sense of being what? Competent. It is important for them to feel successful when completing a task. Part of the success experience is sharing completed task with peers and teachers. Okay, so usually like, at the end, the feeling of success is important, yeah? You have to show them that what? They succeed, okay? I will give you an example, okay? I have one of the students here from the university. She changed like, she has a course in English, but she dropped the first course and she retook it again. So I asked her, why did you take the same course again? So what do you think? Why?
The degree is less than
What degrees?
the course.
No, it is the same course.
Maybe she
repeated to take her
No, she chose to drop that course and take it again with another instructor. Why?
Maybe because the instructor.
Yes, what about the instructor?
She did the first one.
What? No, she told me because when they present like a task, once that instructor told her what your work is rubbish. So that only the reason she dropped the whole what course for that semester, and she redo it again this semester. So why she did this? What do you think?
لأنه ما أعطاها motivation
يعني نقدر نقدرها يعني إن شغلة جديد.
إحباط يعني إياها.
أو ما
Okay.
شجعها مثلا إن أنت تاسكك أوكي مو لين هناك بس المفروض تعدين شيء.
Okay, so that's what we have to do, okay? At the end, the feeling of success, okay? And we try to motivate, not what to make you like, dismotivated, okay? But I mean, sometimes, okay, even if someone tells you like, it's a rubbish, it's not about you, it's about the work, yeah? So even for like the word, you have to think about, okay, this is a rubbish work, you have to improve it, yeah? So it is about it was with her, it's what intrinsic, okay? Her feelings was what stronger than the action. Okay. So what are the objectives for motivating reading and writing? What do you mean by objectives? Yes, the goals, why you are doing this, okay? So because you want what the children should be provided with an environment that is literacy rich. Okay. What do you mean by environment?
البيئة.
Yeah. So how can we make like a rich environment for literacy? What can we do, Fatma? Yes. To make an environment that rich with literacy, what can we do? For kids?
Like design the class.
Design the class and how? Trip for the kids, motivate them.
Reinforcement.
What?
Positive reinforcement.
You have positive reinforcement, okay? And what about the environment? What would you do for the class, for example?
Provide material about reading.
Yes, you provide materials. Maybe you have the library, maybe you have learning centers, you have, let's say,
I divide the class like a sections.
maybe you can divide the class sections. So you try your best what for them to enjoy. What are you doing with your phone? Okay. So that's what you have to think about, what? The environment, okay? Number 2, okay, teachers should provide models of literacy behavior for children to emulate. So what do you mean by models? Like what?
قدوة يعني.
Yes, قدوة, how? How can you make that?
By make me myself better.
Maybe
Okay.
مثلا اقرا قصص يشوفوني اني اقرا
talk about
Telling story.
الشخص يعني شخص مشهور بالقراءة.
It's simple, like for example, at home, okay, if you are not reading, how the child will read, yeah? Because usually they imitate whatever you are doing. For example, my husband loves to watch movies. So what do you think about my kids? What they will do? Watch movies, yeah? If I am reading, what they will do? Reading, so it's normal. It's just like, for example, for the classroom, for the students, you try your best to have more like reading activities, and also to show you like to see that you are reading, so they will do it, yeah? Or maybe you will do kind of story sessions and all that reading, okay? Number 3, children need to be given the opportunity to participate in social collaborative settings. Okay, so what kind of opportunities for this to do? Yes? To improve reading and writing.
مثلا اخليهم يقرون مع الكلاس مع بعض يعني.
Okay,
I give more practice and activity.
okay.
Activity.
Like what? Give me example.
Worksheet يعني.
ليك الروضة فقالوا انه يعني الطفل يقرا قصة حق الكلاس الثاني.
Okay, so that's good. That is part of what social collaboration with other classes, okay? Others, yeah? Maybe they are using like YouTube. Maybe, for example, you videotape, like, you know, one of the kids reading, okay, after the permission of the parents, for example, or school, and he will do the reading, and then you spread it, yeah? And then maybe others will want to comment on the readings, yeah? And that's what we do, yeah, on social media, yeah? Okay? Children should be able to choose literacy activities. Can we have, like, give them the choice to do that?
Yes.
Okay, for example, we have the task, yeah? If I give you the choice to do the task, what will you do?
I would be creative.
Okay? For example, if you want to change the task, you will change it to what? To better like what? What will you do?
Maybe I will search about something new and I will put.
Okay? And? Fatma, if you want to change the task, what will you do?
Change the title of the task. I choose another topic.
Evaluate classroom.
Huh?
Evaluate classroom for reading and marking.
Okay. And?
I will not make it as written class.
As what?
Or make it more practical.
Like what?
Presentations, like videos.
You are doing live videos, you are doing observations, yeah? So you don't want the writing part?
Yeah, we will cancel the writing part.
Yeah.
I think it's waste of time.